Back off. To move away or stop pressuring someone. Example: he kept asking questions, but I told him to back off. Hit on. To flirt with someone. Example: at the party, John was hitting on Sarah all night. Lighten up. To stop being so serious. Example: you should lighten up. It's just a joke. Pick on. To tease or bully someone. Example: the kids at school always pick on Tom because of his glasses. Black out. To faint or lose consciousness. Example: he blacked out after drinking too much. Stand by. To support someone or be ready to act. Example: I'll stand by you no matter what happens. Crash out. To fall asleep quickly, usually due to exhaustion. Example: I was so tired after work, I just crashed out on the sofa. Hook up. To meet or connect with someone, sometimes romantically. Example: we hooked up after work for drinks. Feel down. To feel sad or depressed. Example: I've been feeling down ever since I lost my job. Talk back. To respond rudely to someone in authority. Example: don't talk back to your teacher. Bump into. To meet someone unexpectedly. Example: I bumped into an old friend at the mall. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.